I'm confused. You know what, I think I'm gonna have to read the book. I did get my, it sounds so inappropriate, I did get my hose down the drain. In light of my near miss in the recent almost flooding for the third time, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I detailed it in my previous vlog, which I will link in one of the top corners in an iCard as well as down below. Look at this rain. So needed. My concern now is I may flood. There is a drain under there that is not doing draining, and it is rising towards my windows. I'm here at Bunnings. You probably can't see behind me, but I'm in the car park, and I'm going to get myself a pressure hose. That's because I need to clean out my gutters, and I need to do something about unblocking the drain by myself before I call in a plumber, which will cost me a lot of money. This is the one I'm looking at. Well, first things first, I need to actually put this thing together. I just got back from Bunnings. You saw earlier, safety instructions. I definitely do not want a repeat of my near miss because that was extremely stressful, and my house is already flooded twice. I don't want to do it again. Guessing that's the pressure hose, which has so many parts. That's a bit flash. I don't get it. Is that going there? This is the machine itself. It looks like a little hot water system, don't you think? It's really odd. Now, as I'm setting this up, what I have realized is I am going to be doing this. I'm going out the front in a minute, and you'll be coming along with me to clean out my gutters and the drain. But I don't have a PowerPoint out there. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. I guess I'm just going to have to run an extension cord from the shed, which I don't have many of. I'm just going to have to see how I go. Who else actually reads instruction books? Because I certainly don't. Only when I get really lost. Don't know what that is. You know what, I think I'm going to have to read the book. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. There we go. Click. It's the gun. Huh? Oh, okay. No. That goes in. No. What? I'm confused. Well, that doesn't go in there. What goes in there? Oh, it is the cord. But how? Oh. Okay. That thing comes up. This thing slides up just like the gun. And I'm pretty sure that slides in there. No, that doesn't work. There we go. What? Oh, that does go in there. Okay. Gosh, that's long. That's a very long gun. Now this bit I can't quite work out. Number G. I don't know what that thing is. Unless it means this. It must mean. Okay, yeah, that is that. Alright, we have our apparatus together. I guess it's time to fire it up and clean out my gutters and my drain. I was hoping I'd be able to get this in the drain, but I do not think this is going to fit. So luckily I bought a nozzle to go on my regular garden hose, and I can feed that down the drain. It's 2 settings, hard and soft. Well, that's going to irritate me. No time like the present. Hopefully that stays. I'll show you. This tree. I had to prop it up. And that's because, see how bent it is? It leans in towards the house. You can see it above me. And I think it's one of the causes of my drains getting clogged so quickly. Such a mess. All of that came out of my bloody gutter. And it's not even done. I'm happy to report that the garden is, or the front area is finally clear and completely done. The pressure gun didn't fit down the drain, but I did get my, it sounds so inappropriate, I did get my hose down the drain, and that did the trick. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you hit that notification bell, you subscribe, you like, you comment, you do all that stuff. So it's a happy story in the end.